Blessed, yeah. All of my Jesus people stand up. J Blaze, holla at me, man. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ayo, it's B. You see me, I'm not from here. Heat up the zone like the sun until I'm done here. Try to make it dumb clear. Jesus is the one, dear, that could fill the void you've had since day one, dear. Daddy couldn't come and so he had to send his son here. Came, lived, died, resurrected, yeah, he won here. This year, this year, this year, my year, my dear. I meant our year, Christ year. I rep Christ here, over there, everywhere, anywhere. I stay in his presence, there is plenty there. Anyway, anyhow, anywho, I got plenty dudes ready to bring Christ heavy to any crew. And he do what he said he do. Got rid of the Remy dude, got rid of the Henny too. Blessings by the plenty too, many too. Count pennies, nickels, dimes, quarters, dollars, fives, tens, 20s too. Benji's too. Jesus Christ is a bazooka, Satan's just a 22. And the man is coming back real soon, man, I bet he do. And sin's deadly, you better be repenting soon. And I gotta rep the Father, he got me like bada boom, bada beam. Elohim, I'm eating like I had a spoon. And I'm cleaning up my act, you would think that I had a broom. He's forgiving what I did and you're working on what I do. He's forgiving what I did and we're working on what I do. What I do, what I does, you ain't know I had a buzz. Pay attention to me as I introduce you to the love. Leave the death alone and man, I'll introduce you to the life. Know you're tired of living trapped, I'll introduce you to the Christ. Know you're tired of living wrong, I'll introduce you to the right. And even though I'm getting loose in the booth, man, I keep it tight. Got that fire, got that fuego, you would think it's Friday night. And if the enemy comes in here, it'll end up in a